awesome and excellent, fun, fun show. Amaya and Amy, awesome and excellent, fun, fun show. Hello, we didn't see you. Welcome to another episode of Amaya and Emmy's baking show. Today we will be cooking blueberry crumb cake. Here are some of the ingredients you need. Salt, cinnamon, baking soda, caramel, vanilla, baking powder, brown sugar, flour, and regular sugar, and sour cream and butter with some eggs too. A big bowl and another bowl. And first, you have to wash your hands. Always wash your hands before baking. And then preheat the oven to 375. So that's cooking. And now we do 1, 2, 3/4 cup of flour. We need to have 1.5 teaspoons for baking powder and baking soda. Okay, so now let's So we added the baking powder and the baking soda. Next, we have to add 1 teaspoon of salt. If you like yours extra salt. Little crystals. Next, we are going to whisk this up. I like blueberries washed with ice. Want to help, Emmy? Okay, so next we will add 3/4 cup margarine and 1 cup sugar in a separate bowl, so we set that aside. And then cream that together well. And then we're gonna add 3 eggs, 1 at a time, beating them well after every one. Add the flour mixture alternately to the margarine. And we're gonna add sour cream and ounces of sour cream, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Mix this bowl, and this is what it'll eventually look like. And in this video, please feel free to pause it and do whatever, mix it, and come back to the video. So next, we are going to make the streusel, the stuff that you put on top of it. So, first we are going to put 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Okay, and make sure to pack it down. And peanut butter. I don't want to stuck in my throat. Okay, there we go. Those pack it down. And we should give water, so that's nice. And 3/4 chopped nuts of your choice. We are going to use cashews. And you were on camera. Well, we'll just add the whole thing.
Bend it.
Okay, so that's added, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. There it is. It's just about this. And now we shall mix.
No, you said.
My brother, do tiny lots of mixing. No, it's okay. So next, we are going to add half of this into a smaller bowl and fill the rest with blueberries. Okay, so next we're gonna grease a 10-inch pan. We're using a smaller one. We're using something close to it because we don't have a 10-inch pan. So we're gonna layer it on top, kinda. So 1/3 of this on the bottom, and then half of this on top. Another 1/3 of that on here. Another on the other half of that. Then the rest of the batter, and then the rest of the top streusel that we have. Okay? Let's start. Make sure you put it in the middle of the oven. Always put away your stuff, especially if it goes in the freezer. So now, wash the dishes and clear your space. Nice, clean. We've waited 65 minutes, and now we're going to take it out of the oven to see if it's very good. See how old it's been. We'll show you results later. Okay, so now the taste test. Like brown sugar. Please stand by. We are going to put 1.5 teaspoons for baking soda and baking powder. Okay, let's go. And just one tip while we're doing it, baking is kind of like chemistry. You want to have it perfectly, or if you add a little too much or a little too little.
Yeah, put in.
Right when I